Hello again, my friend. Celina here with another video to help you on your SAT/ACT journey. This video is the second in a mini-series in which I'm going to show you spiffy ways to make SAT/ACT prep fun. Well, at least make it less torturous. But in all seriousness, I've been sharing my favorite ways to practice key skills for the test that don't really feel like work. Pretty sweet, right? Today, let's take a look at the grammar side, officially called writing and language, or English. Now, obviously, mastering the rules of English grammar is key for winning in either grammar section, whether on the SAT or ACT. But if you're like many of my private students, you may not have been formally taught these in school. Start reading up on these and then add this fun stuff as you gain momentum. Practice your foreign language skills. If you're taking a foreign language in school, then you likely have had instruction in the language's grammar along the way. Things like verb conjugation, subject-verb agreement, verb tense use, and punctuation are typically fundamentals when learning a new language. And if you can learn a good amount of the grammar of a foreign language by mastering its rules, you can easily learn the rules of English in the same way. Become a pro at sniffing out grammar errors and awkward writing. You've probably seen so many instances of improper grammar and poor writing on TikTok, Reddit, and other social media sites that your brain just filters it out. Break your brain of this habit by actively making note of these errors as you scroll through posts in your downtime. Just don't post an actual correction of any that you spot, because not everybody will be as conscientious as you. Or, if this isn't your cup of tea, try starting a daily journal. While journaling, make a point of using proper grammar and style. And to watch your improvement over time, consider typing it, proofreading it and track changes to know your errors, and then using a tool like Grammarly to check how you did. And now I want to hear from you. What tactics do you use to make SAT/ACT grammar prep fun? Post your thoughts in the discussion below. And afterward, don't forget to press that subscribe button to be the first to know about new videos to help you on your SAT/ACT journey. Until next time, stay healthy and stay sane.